Hello everyone and welcome back to some Skywars. Now, do I have a story to tell you? So basically, right, I usually sleep pretty late. I'm talking like 11, 11 p.m. And so for some people that's not really too late, but like I gotta wake up early in order to get to class, right? So I'm sitting here and I wake up perfect, like not perfectly on time, but like not terribly off time. And I do what every normal person does as soon as they realize that they wake up at a reasonable time, and that is to go back to sleep. Now, because of this, I ended up being like severely late to class. This person's gonna try and knock me. Yeah, you're so smart. Look at you. Yeah, yeah. Keep walking. Keep walking. Yeah, that's right. Keep walking. Uh, I'm sorry. Okay. Anyway, so I wake up perfectly on time. Like I couldn't have woken up at a better time. Like I'm talking like ex- not my first alarm, which is set at 5:45 a.m., but at like 6:15 around that area of time. And it's just like I don't know. Something came over me. I don't know why I took my leather chest plate off for another leather chest plate, but something something came over me, and I was just like, you know what? I need some more sleep, even though I had like plenty of time for sleep. You know? Yeah. Bye. Bye. You know what? I'll take the leather chest plate though. Ooh, free pearl as well, and a nice, beautiful sword. I couldn't have asked for a better outcome here. All right. All right. You're just gonna bow me. All right. Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Combo? Combo? You know what? We're gonna eat this, and we're actually gonna make a little contraption here. Because we need some eggs. Oh, you're joking! Oh my gosh. So anyway, right? Sweaty map. Yeah. Um, I wake up pretty late, and this causes me to end up missing like a good portion of class. And this guy is not even gonna come after me. Hello? Yeah, you walked off. Okay. I didn't even get any like good loot for that. That's so upsetting. And I used my egg. Okay. So now because of this, I missed like the first 8 minutes of class, right? Which isn't too bad. Like I'm a plumber, you know. Like it's not like I'm learning how to build a rocket or something, you know. Quite literally not rocket science. Oh, you have a nice sword. Oh, you have a nice sword. You have a really nice sword. Too bad you don't have a nice brain. That's really mean. Uh, I didn't really get good loot there. Oh. Oh, and there's a person there too. You know what? I'm just gonna go around you, sir. Good day. Good day. Now there's a person here that I can probably kill. Hopefully. That was really smooth. Okay, well. Come on, get over here. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, oh. No, if I didn't throw the egg there, I would have gotten them. But like, anyway, as I said, missing the first few bits of class isn't really like devastating, you know? Because it's like I'm not really learning anything like incredibly important. It's mostly just like them telling us like what we're gonna be doing today or that day, and like all that jazz. But the thing is, I've done like with the course that we're taking, right? We've already done like the majority. Oh, okay. Anyway, the chest has been looted already. God damn! How fast are people getting here? No. Okay. But yeah, like this is a classroom filled with people that already know how to do most of this stuff, and not to mention they go through like a whole, um, like they show us how to do it basically. So it's like it's not like I'm missing the end of the world, you know. I'm afraid this person's gonna rush me. Um, you know, like it's not the worst thing if I just miss a few minutes. No, get away, dog. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That scares you, as it should. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna play weird, cause you need to leave, dog. Oh. But anyways, so I'm just chilling, right? And I'm just trying to figure out how it is that we're supposed to do this because I missed like the first 8 minutes kind of thing, you know? And it's like it's not really difficult. I wouldn't say that it's difficult because it's something that we've again done for so long. But it's still something, you know? Like it's still an experience kind of thing. Especially since like some of the stuff that we're learning how to do, um, oh shoot, it's kind of like I wouldn't say it's necessarily difficult because it's not really very difficult. It's like it's just I don't know how to. Oh my gosh. Oh, darn. It's more so like I don't know how to put it. I don't know. It's just like it's not difficult. It's pretty simple, and we've done it so much. And I know I'm just kind of repeating myself, but it's like that's kind of just what it is. The moral of the story here is that we're basically just learning how to like solder things, if you know what soldering is, you know. And future me, if you're watching this, how, how much better am I now? You know, I really want to know. But it's like we're just learning how to solder, and it. Oh, oh my! I almost did the same thing. I just did the same thing. The soldering isn't the hard part, right? Because I've done that. I wouldn't say very much, but I've done that enough, you know? Like it's not something new. It's not like a whoa, this is so strange, you know? Like it's something that I've done at least a couple times. I was really worried I wasn't gonna make that. Bye. Okay. But again, it's nothing difficult, and it's nothing. Uh-oh. Do I make that? I just needed it to be a little bit more higher. That's unfortunate. Okay, well. The soldering wasn't the hard part. I did that perfectly. Well, for the most part, perfectly. I messed up just like a little bit. The hard part was the brazing, because if you don't know, brazing is basically like it's the same kind of thing to soldering, except the difference here is that brazing it has to be like super hot, you know, whereas soldering is kind of just like its own thing, where it's like you use the solder, you heat it up a little bit, and then you're good to go. You know, nothing difficult. But the brazing is where it gets difficult because at that point you have to like do a whole lot of stuff. Bye. Let's hope this person had a. No, of course they didn't. Okay, well. Swiftness. I'll take that. Bye. Yeah. Oh, I'm not doing. Okay, you know what? I'll do. Oh my god. We're not gonna talk about that. 3, 2, 1. I can't believe I just did that. Anyways, what was I talking about? The soldering and the welding. Not the welding, sorry. The brazing. The brazing is where it's at. It's where the difficulty happens. Because, like, you have to. It's essentially the same as soldering, except it's just, like, way hotter. So it's like you gotta kind of. Did I. How did I just get shot there? Oh, this person's sentient. Oh my god. No. Oh, you're joking. No. Why do they have a pickaxe? Since when do people hold on to pickaxes? That's so weird. Oh, that's so unfortunate. It is what it is. Anyways, yeah, the brazing is the difficult bit, and it's the bit that everyone kind of struggled on. So basically, what we're doing for this assignment, right? It's an assignment which is being done like, um, with the teacher, and the teacher's there to basically go like, no, you're doing this wrong, you're stupid. Essentially, that's what the teacher's doing. Um, so I'm over here chilling, and I'm thinking to myself, I'm thinking that I'm doing pretty darn good, you know. You're kidding that they stole that. That's crazy. Are you serious? Oh my god. And you may be noticing that there's like a way more cuts in this one, and that's because I kind of want to lower the time that the videos are, which I know goes like completely against what I wanted originally. But it's just like I was watching them, and I was realizing that they were kind of incredibly long and boring. So, well, I wouldn't say boring more, per se, but it was definitely like it. Oh man, I wanted that sword. Um, I wouldn't say like boring necessarily. I mean, it was, but it's like I'm talking like it'd be like a whole clip, and it just I wouldn't really be talking very much, which isn't really the best thing ever. But like it's a struggle, And if you've ever tried to make video and talk the whole time, you'll understand just how difficult it truly is. This is only 5 attack damage. Might as well just take the sword. I mean the axe. What the? Oh, you're kidding. Oh my. I'm being bounced around. Yeah, okay. And it's like I feel like this will make the videos way more easier to kind of like not comprehend, but just like understand. Yeah, I deserve that kill. Oh, I fully deserve that kill. If it happens to me, that's just karma, you know. What the? I'm taking your path. Like I'm not making my own bridge. I don't like how this is going. I don't like how I have a sword in the place where I usually keep my throwables. Okay. No, you get away. Oh no. Oh, I walked directly into you. No. However, this means that this kind of. Why did I just receive? Okay. Um. It's basically it's gonna take a little bit more time to kind of like create the videos, but I don't think that matters. You know, I doubt a lot of people are gonna be watching these anyways. To be fair, uh, Bye. Alright. And you fell off. Alright. Perfect. Perfect. We got a bow to shoot at people and miss completely. Oh, and take unnecessary damage. That's what we love to see. Bye. Come on, strength. Oh no. Oh, you're gonna have strength. Oh, you're gonna have strength. I'm leaving. What? So, brazing, right? It's more difficult. I wouldn't say severely more difficult. I'd just say like a little bit, you know? Like it's got its hiccups, but it's not like something crazy. Like you can still do it. Um, you just gotta heat it up a ton, and that's the whole gist of it. You know, that's what makes it special. I don't know if there's a like a thing here, or if it's only like on a couple towers. I don't know what the maps are. Oh, you're joking. Oh my god. Brazen. It's not difficult, but it's also not easy because you have to get it like hot enough, but you can't make it too hot, you know? Otherwise, you're doing yourself a disservice because it's like you won't be able to do things. Um, but you know, it's pretty fun. It's not. I wouldn't say it's boring. I'd say it's just like there's so many sweats. Oh, yeah, but I wouldn't say it's boring. That person's gonna get strength. I don't want that. I don't want to deal with that. To be honest, I want to deal with you because you seem like you might have some. I've not. I don't know what this map is. Hold on. I gotta drag the file to the little editing software on here. What is it? Is it this one? I think it's this one. Here we go. Yeah, but it's not insane. It's not like an insane thing to do. And it's definitely not difficult, I wouldn't say. Alright. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm definitely getting used to playing this game, I will admit. Um, if you couldn't tell. I hope that you can tell. Fire aspect. Now I can set people on fire. This is amazing. This is exactly what I wanted on this map. Merry Christmas to me. Take some fall damage. Oh, you're low. Oh, yeah, I deserve that. Alright. So now, we gotta get away from this person, because they're gonna try and knock us off. There's 4 people left. There's this person included. They're gonna run out of their strength soon. I'm hoping that you're the person that doesn't have. Oh, you are. You're full HP. There we go. Oh, that's not what we want. That's not what we want. Oh, okay. Get out, get out, get out, get out. I will say, I'm really sorry that like the majority of these is just like me getting absolutely destroyed, you know? But it's just we're not all insanely skilled at this game. Case in point. But like, are you serious? Haha, I made it to the middle. You didn't. Should I fight this person? I built the bridge for them. Look at me, so friendly and kind. I'm gonna get banned. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're strong. Oh, and you're behind me. That's right. Oh, you don't have a chest plate. Oh, you're... Oh. Yeah, I may be trapped in here. Oh, look at that. But it's worth it. Oh. Did they die? They did die. Okay, well, we're just gonna chill in here. Cause they're gonna have strength for like the next few seconds. Alright, we're here to win. That's the whole goal of this, you know? Getting kills. Who needs that in the big 26, you know? Oh, you're gonna be so stacked out of your mind. Oh, you're gonna be so stacked. I don't want to deal with you. Kinda have to though. Oh, you're so stacked. You're so stacked. Oh, darn. Look, alright, I know I didn't win that game, but it's just like, I'm well past how good I used to be, you know? Don't rush me, I swear to God. Incompetent and I swear nope. Sharpness knockback. Yeah, they're dying. I don't care. I'm running. They got it. I believe in them. I myself am going to middle, so. All of it's been looted. There's no point. Oh, shoot. No! Come on, come on, get out of here. No! Yeah, okay. I kind of lost the whole, like, what I'm talking about. I honestly, I don't remember. It was about something. I'm pretty sure it had something to do with the welding and stuff that I'm doing in class. I know that, like, I'm not that dumb, but it's like I don't remember what exactly about the welding and the bracing that I wanted to talk about. Are you serious? Dog. What kind of sword did I even get? Fire aspect and smite 1. Wow. Let me go. Maybe I can get rid of them. Because they're being a bug. Seemingly don't. You're e-dating? I don't wanna deal with them. I'm gonna be so for real. I don't wanna deal with them. I'm gonna fight these people. And then I'll kill this person. Oh, you're strong. Oh, you're so strong. Oh, you're so strong and handsome and kind. Oh my gosh. Leave me alone. No! Look at these two. They have like the same low cage. Oh, not your slat or your slime. What a sentence. Poetry, honestly. That was such a beautiful description. All right, so we don't have a shirt, which is kind of really unfortunate. Oh, you took fall damage. Oh my god, they're gonna fight and get destroyed. Hold on. I'm gonna janitor here. All right, or not. Well, I'm gonna just go to middle then. This is the best that I can do. And then these people are still fighting, which means that this chest is not looted. I stand corrected, actually. Bye! Alright. Bro said weak. Okay, well. We're actually gonna go down here. Believe it or not. We're gonna heal. Because I don't want to deal with that. So, I still also don't have a chest plate, which is kind of unfortunate, if I do say so myself. And it looks like nobody left one for me, which is really inconsiderate. But you know what? It's fine, because this person has one for me. Right here. Nope. Oh my gosh. No chest plate still. Ooh, I'll take this iron sword though. Go ahead, jump down. I dare you. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know. See, in like situations like that, I don't know how I'm supposed to play. Am I supposed to like turtle up? Because it's like they had the high ground, they had the health advantage, they had everything, and I was just like little old me, you know? Like, what am I supposed to do there? Am I supposed to just like take it? Oh my gosh, I almost felt that. Of course that chest gets taken. Okay, now I have strength and people are scared of me. That's kind of the mentality that we want here. Take that. Take these pants. Bridge back to my base. That's the kind of thing that we want, you know? We don't want people to know that we're decent at the game, except I'm not decent. So it helps me, you know? We want you like that. This is the inventory of all time. Quite possibly. Come on, can we steal this? Come on. Oh, you're not even low. We got one kill. We got it. Oh. You know what? We can't live in fear here. We got 5 strikes with this sword. Alright. We can do some major damage here. If we can find someone. Oh! No! Anyway, what do I have? Smite 3 and knockback 1. These are terrible swords. Like I've just noticed. Like these are awful. Like, what am I supposed to do with Smite 3? Oh, did you see how clean those? You know, I should eat this after I jump and take fall damage. I think. Right, fall damage. I didn't even take fall damage. I could have eaten it way before. Oh, this person's like stacked. Look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh. Run, 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 run. Pretend we're not here. Pretend that we're not even here. We are not even here. Okay, so we can take you. I'm gonna fight you. Oh my gosh. They weren't even looking at me. What? I don't know how long this is taking. I don't know how long this video is, but I reckon this is the final game because honestly, I'm tired and I need to cook dinner. So, I reckon this is gonna be the last one. If I win, I win. If I don't, oh well. Like there's still like later today where I can win. You know, help my ego a little bit. You know what? It is what it is. That person's just on the side. That's so funny, actually. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's been fun, and honestly, I feel like this is different than what other people post because I keep losing. So, with that in mind, actually, you know what? We're not ending it here because I'm having withdrawals. Let me play this. This is the last one. All right, all right. I promise. I promise. This is the last one. Oh my gosh. People need to join, please. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is honestly like a really fun game mode. I won't even lie. Weapon. Oh, let's go. Come on. Okay. I got a wooden sword and a fish. Knockback 3. I know what we're doing. Oh my. Perfect. Didn't even get scared. Let's go. I got a frog helmet. I'll take the iron one for now. I got another iron helmet. Oh, let's go. I don't know. What do you got? No! Oh. Okay. This is the last one. I don't know. What do you guys think about this game mode? I think it's pretty good personally. Like this is one of the better ones. Yeah. But that's my opinion. Doesn't the nuke mean that it's gonna like? Oh! Void charm. Oh, perfect. I wasted I wasted my my potion. But you know what? It's fine. Cause I have this. I have that. Gravity gun. You don't see me. It's fine. Got a beacon, and now my beacon is gone. I have 2 void charms. Oh wait, this is perfect. Wait, I'm unkillable. Well, unless I get killed, but I'm unkillable via knockback. What? Oh, haha! Just kidding. Just kidding. All right. Well, all the chests have been refilled. Oh. Dang it. Oh, I wasted that second one. I can't believe I wasted that second one. That's so unfortunate. No. All right. Well,